To produce cosmetic powders, the Delagar Division of Belcam in Rouses Point, New York, previously purchased bulk bags containing a blend of talc powder, glitter, and fragrant oil from a contract manufacturer, unloaded the bags using a Flexicon Model BFF bulk bag discharger, and fed the material to a packaging line using a Flexicon flexible screw conveyor. By adding only a second Flexicon flexible screw conveyor and a continuous horizontal paddle mixer to the process, Delagar gained the ability to blend its spring-fresh ingredients in-house, saving on purchasing and shipping blends from a contract manufacturer, while gaining the flexibility to modify formulations to customer requirements. The same Flexicon bulk bag discharger that previously unloaded bulk bags of pre-blended ingredients now unloads bulk bags of raw talc. As before, the operator attaches a bag lifting frame to the bag straps and forklifts it into cradle cups atop spring-loaded pop-top bag extension devices on each of the frame posts. He then pulls the bag spout through an iris flow control valve at the top of the hopper intake chute and closes the valve, allowing the spout drawstring to be untied and the valve opens slowly to avoid bursts of material into the hopper and displaced air and dust into the plant. As the bag loses weight, the pop-top extension devices stretch it upward into a cone shape, promoting discharge of material through the spout. Flow flexor bag activators raise and lower opposite bottom edges of the bag into a steep V shape to loosen compacted talc and provide added flow promotion. Talc discharged into the hopper enters the inlet of the new flexible screw conveyor, which feeds the new horizontal paddle blender volumetrically. Oil fragrance metered by a pump and powdered glitter metered by a bulk material feeder are added to the blender while it is running. During the 8 to 12 hour cycle, blended material moves continuously into a surge hopper through Delagar's original flexible screw conveyor and into the surge hopper of the original packaging machine, completing the in-house process. See the full range of dust-free bulk-out bulk bag dischargers and Flexicon flexible screw conveyors at flexicon.com.